यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे।
India is the rich country which is spreading the essence of Dharma throughout the world. This massive Sanatana Dharma is cherishing Mahakumbha Mela. UNESCO has been inscribed this Mela as intangible cultural heritage of humanity. We are delighted to share the speciality of Mahakumbha Mela 2025, the world's biggest religious gathering. First, let us glance on the Hindu mythological story Samudra Mathana, or the churning of the cosmic ocean. In ancient times, both gods, devas and demons, asuras, desired immortality. They decided to churn the cosmic ocean of milk to obtain the nectar of immortality. The gods and demons used Mount Mandara as the churning rod and serpent Vasuki as the rope. After a long churning, the Amrit finally emerged in a pot, Kumbha. Now, both gods and demons wanted it, leading to a fierce battle. During their fight, a few drops of Amrit spilled at 4 places on the earth. They are Haridwar, Prayagraj, Nasik and Ujjain. The Kumbh Mela is held at these 4 locations in a cycle commemorating the divine spirit and the spilled drops of nectar. History says that Adi Shankaracharya has played a crucial role in providing this platform to Naga Sadhus for philosophical discussion and reviving Hinduism. Kumbh Mela is celebrated in every 3 years. Adda Kumbh Mela once in 6 years, Purna Kumbh Mela once in 12 years and Mahakumbh Mela once in 144 years. As per astrology, Mahakumbh Mela is a festival that is timed based on the alignment of the Sun, Moon and Jupiter. This year, we are celebrating Mahakumbh Mela from 13th January 2025 to 26th February 2025 at Prayagraj, Uttar Pradesh, the confluence of the Ganga, the Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati river. It is believed that bathing in these rivers at this location during the auspicious time of Kumbh Mela cleans one's sins and grants them spiritual benefits. So the followers of Sanatana Dharma perform Amrit Snan by bathing in Triveni Sangam and rejoicing their spiritual beliefs.
Naga Sadhus and Aghoris are an integral and fascinating part of Kumbh Mela. They are known for their distinctive appearance, often with ash-covered bodies and long-matted hair. For example, Rudrakshi Baba carries 108 Rudrakshi rosaries, which includes 11,000 Rudrakshis, weighs 40 kg. Chaiwala Baba lives only by drinking 10 cups of tea per day. He trains students for competitive exams only by writing without speaking. Anajwali Baba weaves some plants on his head and spreading awareness on growing plants. Altogether, Naga Sadhus and Aghoris have lent their hands to the upliftment of the society and Sanatana culture.
More than 15 lakh foreigners and 60 crore Indians have witnessed this magnificent and vibrant gathering. This huge pilgrimage showcased India's rich culture and heritage. This brought the people together from all walks of life for fostering a sense of unity and shared identity. It generated significant economic activities, boosted tourism, created jobs and stimulated local business.
Shri Yogi Adityanath, CM of Uttar Pradesh, and his team worked on this project for a year, aiming to provide a safe, comfortable, spiritually enriching experience for the millions of pilgrims. A temporary city is built in 130 acres with the accommodation options and extensive sanitation facilities and eco-friendly practices. Modern technologies have been used to keep the river clean. Special trains, flights, buses are arranged to the tourists and pilgrims. Large contingent of security, artificial intelligence tools like AI-enabled cameras to analyze crowd density and AI algorithms for facial recognition. An AI chatbot named Kumbh Sahayat is developed to provide information about schedules, routes and facilities in multiple languages.
The Kumbh Mela is a powerful symbol of spiritual purification and renewal. It is a celebration of life, community and the human spirit. This gathering encourages us to reconnect with the natural world and appreciate its rhythm. Mahakumbh Mela demonstrates the deep-rooted spiritual values that are still relevant in today's world. Sanatana is eternal truth, eternal bliss.